Hi and welcome to a video series by cloudturf.com. In the video series we will cover how to do things using a Linux server, Windows server, and how you can leverage these services to your own needs. So today we'll cover how to install cpanel on a CentOS box. The first thing that we need to do is we need to ensure that the server is updated. So we run the yum update command. Once the update is done, then you will need to set your host name. Go ahead and do that. Once that is completed, then we will need to install Perl. So for that, we just need to run the yum install Perl command. And once that is completed, then we need to download the latest installer script. So go ahead and run that command, and most likely the script will be downloaded into your home directory. And once you have that downloaded, then we can run the installer. But as you can see, we first need to disable NetworkManager. This is an important step, so go ahead and do that first. And once that is done, then you can run the installer script. So depending on your network speed, the installation process can vary. So therefore, I will skip some of the video. Once the installation is complete, then you will just need to go to your browser and type in https://IP address of the server :port 20879, and you will be presented with a WHM dashboard login. Type in your root username and password, and you will enter. Thank you.